Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I cook Atlantic salmon using my air fryer on a cedar plank. And here's the original cedar plank, and this is food grade cedar plank. So what I did was I got my electric saw out, cut out the perfect proportion to fit inside the air fryer, and as far as I know there are no other YouTube videos cooking this way. And as far as I know, you can't buy these on like Amazon. You have to buy the whole plank and cut it out, but trust me, it is worth the effort because cedar plank cooked salmon is fabulous. So there's a bit of breathing room around all the edges, and this is exactly what you need. So we're going to pre-soak this in submerged in cold water in a pan, and for at least 30 minutes, and then we'll start cooking. So without further ado, let's get in the kitchen and start cooking some salmon. So here's my cedar plank. Soaking in cold water. I put a bowl on top of it just to weigh it down, and we're going to soak this in cold water for 30 minutes. And while we're doing this, I'll start marinating my piece of salmon, and then we could pop it in the air fryer to cook. So to start with, I cut the big piece of salmon in two, and I'm going to be marinating and cooking the larger half. The other one, I'm going to put it into a freezer bag and put that in my freezer. Okay, let's put on the marinade, and we're going to be using some soy sauce, about a tablespoon worth, and on top of that, good old Canadian maple syrup. So we're going to put on the wet stuff first, and then a bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, about a teaspoon worth or so, some black pepper, that's about a tablespoon and a half of brown sugar. And we're just going to liberally put that on top, and we're going to massage that into the meat and cover it up with plastic wrap. And my favorite is this spice. It's a maple bacon spice from Clubhouse, and you can check it out online. There's various spices in here. Oop. And we're going to give that about a good teaspoon, approximately. So let's just roll that into the spices. And that's that. So the last step, we just have to put some plastic wrap on top. We're going to pop this into the fridge for about 30 minutes, and then it'll be ready for the air fryer. Okay, so the plank is definitely soaked enough, and you can see there's a concave here at the top, and I'll place it so that there's a little drop in the middle of the plank. I'll drop that in, and then let's go get the piece of salmon and place that right, skin on, right in the middle of the plank. So let's get that going. In the right basket I have some potato wedges that have been soaking in cold water, and then I drenched them in olive oil, salt and pepper, and paprika, and they're going to cook alongside this. Let's fire up my Ninja Foodi, and we're going to bake this. We're going to be match cook. I'm going to bake it at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes, and let's see what we get. So let's fire it up, and we'll be back in about 12 minutes. And the salmon has been cooking for 40 minutes, and the internal temperature is 154 degrees, and it is looking absolutely lovely. Nice and brown. The brown sugar, the maple syrup. Oh, I can't wait to get into this. The potato wedges are cooked to perfection, and I can't complain. It's going to go great with the salmon. Let's plate it up. Does that not look delicious? Oh, and let me just show you up nice and close. Nice caramelized brown sugar, maple syrup, and potato wedges, and it is perfect. Oh, taste of a hint of cedar, brown sugar, maple syrup, salt and pepper, bit of potato wedge. You gotta try this today. And if you don't have an air fryer, go out and get one, because you don't know what you're missing. It is fantastic. Pardon me. And thanks for dropping by. Always appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, please, people. It helps me out in the long run. And anyway, till the next one, have a fantastic day. Catch you later. Bye-bye.